In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize the Wix Members Area login page. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded login experience ready for your visitors to sign in and access member-only content. Start by logging in at wix.com and opening the site you want to work on. From your site's dashboard, look to the left and click the App Market icon, the one that looks like a shopping bag. In the search bar, type Wix Members Area. Select the app, then click Add to Site. Wix will handle the installation and set up the basic members framework for you. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, the key pages and links are created automatically in the background. Next, head back to your site editor. You'll notice new items in your menu or top bar, typically login and sign up. These link directly to the new login and sign up pages that were just generated for you. This confirms the app is active and that visitors will have a clear path to create an account or sign in. Now let's customize the login page. In the editor, open Pages or Pages in menu on the left and select the login page. In the page settings, you can choose a default template for a quick, polished look, or switch to a custom form if you want full control. If you go custom, tailor the experience to your brand and audience. Add or remove fields to keep sign in simple. Update the text and button labels to match your tone, whether you prefer sign in or log in, and upload your logo so the page reflects your identity. When you're happy, click Add to Site or the equivalent save option so your changes are applied. Before publishing, preview your work. Click the Preview button, the eye icon at the top right, and open the login page. Enter sample credentials to see how the form behaves. Make sure the layout looks clean, the text is readable, the buttons are clear, and there are no alignment issues. If something feels off, return to the settings, tweak spacing, colors, or copy, and preview again. It's also a good idea to glance at the mobile preview to ensure everything fits nicely on smaller screens. When everything looks and works the way you want, click Publish at the top right. Your site is now live with a member-ready login. Visitors can use the login link in your menu to sign in, create accounts, and access any member-only content you've prepared. That's all for today.